I just bought a Dji Mini 2, the microphone for my phone basically. I don't have a camera, but I'm gonna use it with my phone. So let's do a little unboxing video for this one. The current price I paid for it was £49. I don't know. It's quite. I think it's not expensive for this kind of quality of a product. All right, let's have a look what we have in the box. So it's quite a small box, of course, because it's a small device. So we have some paperwork, I believe, some kind of stickers here. Okay. And then let's have a look. And then we have the microphone itself with the little pouch. This model doesn't have charging dock, so I think you have to charge this one using a cable from the USB charger. That's a nice pouch. It's nice traveling. Pack everything inside. That's good. I have a little zip. Just got one hand. It's a bit difficult. There you go. So we got charging cable. It's USB-C. We have this is USB-C adapter, and then some kind of little bit for the holder. I think there's another cable as well, a longer one. That's, I believe, the charging cable. That one, USB-C, and the specific connection there for the microphone. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Oh, okay. And then we have this one. So this is, I believe, I never had a microphone before. It's my very first microphone, but this is what I believe. It's where you have I believe a controller, kind of controller. If you have two mics, you can, I think, control the volumes of it. Need to check on that exactly, but something like that. And that's the microphone itself. Look, very small, very tiny microphone. Let's open it. Oh, with one hand it's quite hard. Okay. Ah, lovely. Look, how cute little thing. Yeah, there's a charging connector there. Goes with the long cable there. Okay. Ah, lovely. So that's pairing mode. That's a power button as well. Nice. And then we should have, I think, yeah, that's one of those. And then we should have, I believe, so yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that little furry thing, you know, the little a piece of fur basically. Yeah, so that's gonna block all the kind of wind and air kind of blown from your mouth to the microphone, attaching like that. So the sound will be nice and clear and no crazy noises. What usually happens with just a regular microphone from your phone. Some, I believe, some magnet bits, so you can attach it to the surfaces or something. Yeah, and that's it. Nice little pouch there with the compartments there for your all the little things. That's nice. Yeah, so that's the microphone. I'm gonna attach this little bit there. It's gonna look like this. Yeah, that's it. And then you use this thing to control. I believe you use this to control the sound. You can also connect it straight into straight. The cable goes into the microphone. Oh yeah, with this one. Okay. Yeah, lovely. So yeah, I hope my sound will be much better, because now I'm trying to record some stories on my phone, but it's a horrible sound sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna use this now from now on. It's quite cheap. I think it should be okay. Of course, the quality not gonna be the superb, but I think it's gonna be good enough. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop the text there below. Let's see, let's find out if it's any good.